to enable that to happen, it will not just happen by itself. You need to have a game plan for it. It's computer, it's not a human being where you can tell something and it will do something. You have to give precise instructions to the computer. In like manner, you have to have a precise architecture to achieve those goals. Again, three things here in that direction is, one is the application architecture. How do you leverage, as I mentioned earlier, as Dr. Nehru mentioned earlier, how do you leverage a lot of work that has happened in the last 2 decades in this space? Hundreds of applications across the country. Take any subject, take any service in the government, G2C, it is available somewhere in India today. I think in the afternoon's presentation you will see that. More granular detail of that. But the short point is, a success in one place doesn't mean anything to anybody else in this country. So, my appeal and my idea and my suggestion is that a success in one state should be success of the country. There should not be no holds barred to take and to adopt and adapt and benefit decisions. So, number of applications, e-district pilot, 41 districts have been taken, a lot of work has been done. Why should that BPR be done in other countries for the same very application? When it was done in the adjoining state, the law is almost the same in the same state. So, e-district, NIC, a host of applications are there, but implementation, somebody has to take and deliver the service. Tweak it if need be, in tune with the latest, but that doesn't take that much of time. It's incremental work, not original work. Similarly, MMPs, non-MMPs, you should do that and rapidly duplicate. Second is functional architecture. In my state and union territory, what is the kind of linkage, end-to-end linkage? The G2C, what does it mean? How do you link G and C? What is the kind of functional architecture that will link G and C? That you need to draw clearly. Keeping in view the network of CSCs that you have on one side and the network of departments that you have on the other side. Third is a technology architecture which makes it, integrates, weaves together all these applications and services. It has happened in some states. I am not saying anything new. It is only from experience and from observation of some of the good work that is done in some states. Just put it together for common replicating. So the whole country will benefit and will leapfrog in terms of number of transactions. Number 3.